I see you're interested in learning Python programming. Well, congratulations, that is the best decision. Python programming is an in-demand and versatile skill in today's digital world. And guess what? You are the right. Welcome to Abuja Technologies, the best ICT training center in Abuja, where we offer practical hands-on training to help you master Python programming and become a professional Python developer. Now, what is Python programming? Python programming is a powerful but easy to learn programming language that is used for the following. 1. Website development. It is used to build websites and web applications. 2. Data science and machine learning. It is used to analyze data, AI development and automation. 3. Cyber security. It is used for vulnerability testing and detecting cyber attack. 4. Automation and scripting. Writing Python scripts to automate tasks. 5. Game and mobile app development. Creating interactive mobile applications. Python is very powerful but beginners friendly. It's used by top tech companies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft and Facebook. I know you must be wondering, what will you learn with this training? At Abuja Technologies, we cover everything on Python programming to make you a job-ready Python developer. We cover everything from the fundamentals of Python, which includes data sets, variables, functions and loops. 2. Object-oriented programming, writing reusable and scalable code. 3. Web development with Django and Flask, learning how to build dynamic websites and APIs. 4. Data analysis and visualization using tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. 5. Database management using tools like SQL, MySQL, and MongoDB. 6. Machine learning and AI, a friendly introduction to scikit-learn and TensorFlow. 7. Automation and scripting, creating Python scripts to automate repetitive tasks. At the end of this training, you would have worked on real-world projects to showcase your skills and start applying for jobs immediately. Now, I know you must be wondering about the job and career opportunities for a Python developer. Well, Python programming is one of the most sought after and in-demand tech skills. With this skill, you can work as a cybersecurity specialist, a web developer, a data analyst, an AI and automation expert, software engineer, web developer, and AI automation expert. And the best part is there are so many job opportunities here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. That means you can be here, freelance, and work with remote companies from anywhere across the world. Here is why you should choose Abuja Technologies. At Abuja Technologies, we don't just train you, we teach you to succeed. We offer practical hands-on training, meaning not just theories but practical hands-on training. Personalized attention from your trainer, meaning you're getting a one-on-one training. We do not run a crowded classroom, meaning our classes are small size to ensure you get that personalized learning. We offer project-based learning, meaning you will leave here with a portfolio of work before you graduate. Here at Abuja Technologies, we make you job ready, teaching you skills that companies are hiring for. Our classes are available both online and physical. This means you can join from anywhere around the world. Take action today. Python is the future of tech and the best time to start is now. We'll see you in class. Bye.